the ultimate guide to Action's candle collection, unveiling the secrets of a cozy home. As the days grow shorter, it's time to embrace the warmth and ambience of candles. And who better to turn to than Action, the budget-friendly retailer, for a stylish and affordable candle collection. But here's where it gets controversial. Are you missing out on the must-have candle holders and shades that are taking the styling world by storm? Why Action's candles are a seasonal sensation. Vintage with a modern twist, Action has captured the essence of mid-century design, bringing back the sculptural beauty of the 60s and 70s. Their stoneware holders are like mini sculptures, adding height and structure to any space. It's a cost-effective way to achieve a ceramic-like aesthetic. Colors and textures, beyond the price tag. Warm shades are perfect for the colder months. Terracotta, caramel, and beige create a calm foundation, while glacier blue, dusty pink, olive, and sage add vibrant accents. The twisted tapers and tie-dye fades offer crisp and soft gradients, respectively. And let's not forget the glitter finishes, adding a subtle sparkle for those cozy autumn and festive gatherings. The combination of raw stoneware, opaline-style glass, and marbled wax creates a curated and stylish composition. The star attractions, what shoppers are loving. Twisted tapers. These are the showstoppers, offering a playful twist on vintage style. Available in seasonal shades, they're perfect for adding a pop of color. Tie-dye pillars. With their artful blur, these pillars are ideal for brightening dark corners and creating a focal point. Glitter candles. Ranging from soft shimmer to bold shine, these candles are versatile for various occasions, from Halloween to early winter gatherings. Sculptural stoneware holders. Organic profiles and wide bases make these holders a unique addition to any space. Pricing and placement. Item typical price best spot. Twisted taper 1 to 2 euros dining table, mantle. Tie-dye pillar 2 to 3 euros console, hallway. Glitter candle 2 to 3 euros drinks trolley, festive shelf. Stoneware holder 3 to 4 euros buffet, coffee table. Remember, the key to a balanced display is to play with heights and shapes, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. Styling tips on a budget. Warm table setting. Use a linen or cotton runner and cluster holders in odd numbers. Alternate twisted and smooth shapes, and add dried stems for a natural touch. A microlight wire can provide a soft glow. Stretch your budget. With just 15 euros, you can create a stylish display across multiple rooms. Mix and match twisted tapers, tie-dye pillars, glitter candles, and stoneware holders for a cohesive look. Insider's take. What decor experts say. Retail watchers highlight the perfect timing, affordable prices, and textural appeal of Action's candle collection. It's no wonder styling accounts are buzzing with inspiration this month. The combination of stoneware, opaline-style glass, and marbled wax creates a visually appealing and shareable aesthetic. Practical tips. Safety and care. Wick care. Trim wicks to 5 mm before lighting to reduce smoke and prevent mushrooming. Flame safety. Keep candles apart to avoid softening and collapse. Place holders on heat-resistant surfaces and shield from drafts for a cleaner burn. Always extinguish flames before leaving the room. Materials and fragrance. Paraffin candles are bright and budget-friendly, while soy blends burn slower. Beeswax offers a warm tone and natural scent. Consider unscented candles for dining tables and scented options for living areas and bathrooms. Color combinations. Creating cohesive schemes. Calm neutrals. Start with beige and caramel, then introduce an accent like sage or glacier blue. Keep the scheme coherent by carrying the accent through only 2 items. Retro brights. Go for dusty pink and olive, adding a single glitter candle in gold. Use matte stoneware to balance the shine. A wooden tray completes the look and prevents wax strips. Seasonal switches. From Halloween to winter. October, caramel tapers with black or deep green holders and small pumpkins. November, pine cones and dried orange slices with stoneware neutrals and sage accents. Gift ideas. Under 10 euros. Bundle a twisted taper duo with a compact stoneware holder and a personalized matchbox sleeve. Choose complementary tones like terracotta and beige for a versatile gift. Wrap it in brown paper and string for a simple, stylish presentation. Handy tips for a neat display. Storage. Store candles flat and cool to prevent warping. Use wax adhesive or soft foil to secure tapers and holders. Cleaning. For glaze holders, use warm water and a soft cloth. For stoneware, wait for wax to harden and gently peel with a plastic scraper. Reuse empty glass jars for tea lights. Rotation. Move holders between rooms to get the most out of your collection. So, are you ready to transform your space with Action's candle collection? It's time to embrace the warmth and create a stylish haven on a budget.